Welcome to the introduction of Modelo 2.0. If you have any questions at all at any point, please feel free to drop a comment below or email us at hi@modelo.io. In this video, we'll mainly be talking about the new interface in Modelo 2.0. So to learn more about our new features, and which include AI power and follow modes, feel free to check out our other videos as well. So, let's get started. I'm sure many of you are familiar with the wonderful feeling of orbiting, spinning, and exploring your model. Well, that feeling is still there. Our newly improved Modelo 2.0 allows you to easily interchange between orbit and walk mode so that you can seamlessly explore the model at any time. At any point, you're free to change the settings here, and you can see all the tools that you may need while exploring the model here. On the very left of the bar, you can access our AI feature, which we call Vision, and we're so excited to introduce it to you guys. Walkthroughs and 3D slides can now be created here, and you can learn more about it in our next video. All the functions that we had in Modelo 1.0 is still there. It's just in a different place. On the top right corner is where now you can find the comment section, and model assets and make diagram is now in the top left corner in this menu icon here. If at any point at all you are confused, angry, happy, sad about our new changes, we welcome you and your feedback. The question mark at the bottom of your model page leads to this tutorial. And if you want to contact us, go to the Help and Resources button in your model page. If those methods don't work for you, just drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. We're here to answer any questions you may have. And don't forget to check out the rest of our videos to learn about our new functions. Your feedback will be crucial in shaping the future of Modelo, and we can't wait to hear from you. That's it for now, and we'll see you in the next video.